All right, so here's the Hydro Boost setup. So here's our plate, and then I press the studs in, and I actually pulled them out of the plate for the Ford, and then pressed them into this. I had to drill out to fit the size of the knurl part for the stud, but it worked out good. So those are all pressed in. So now the next thing, here's the firewall plate from the Jeep. This is magnesium too, so it's not aluminum. But if you look at the holes, these two are, like, I would say, the right size. This one's a little smaller, and then this one's oblong. So they probably do this for lining it up, but this one and this one need to be drilled out to this size to make this work. So yeah, now we got to drill them out, and then I'm hoping, you got to make sure this thing's centered to the firewall, because if it's not, there's another set of the holes that are in the tub of the Jeep. They're also they'll be on this backside, and this thing's crooked, then they don't fit in the other hole straight. So you got to look at that and make sure that those are all straight, so you can get a socket in there to put the nut on. So all right, so now I got to drill these out so I can mount this thing. All right, on to the next level of Hydro Boost.